Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x8009001d, provider DLL failed to initialize correctly, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, the first solution is to reset Windows Update components. We have a script for you, and then here's what you have to do. Copy that script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter, and I'll tell you why this will fix it. This will be the primary solution and the only solution. So it will stop the services related to Windows updates. It will delete the profile for Windows Update. It will delete the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. Okay, and then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. And since it is re-registering all the DLLs, this issue with the DLL file, whichever DLL file it was, will be resolved. But if it doesn't help, like in 99.99999% cases, it will help. But if it doesn't help, then run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters, and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.